Hello everyone, it's May the 3rd. Let's get to today's challenge. Well, today's a pretty long day. I've been working on an app on the login process via Firebase. Well, I had to say Firebase is a pretty nice tool. Things are pretty easy to work with, and then especially there's a good library to wrap all the Firebase SDK in React Native. So things actually went pretty well, but there are still some there's always going to be hiccups as you're doing. Like the roadmap is very clear how things should be, right? You just use Firebase, and then you can access all the users, and you can access the database by the Firestore. Everything seems to be very straightforward, but as I was actually doing it, there are issues. But I think the main issues is with flow type. I mean, the typing is always the thing that slows me down the most. I mean, it's really hard to say, why it slows me down, but it did. It slows me down tremendously. All right. Anyway, let's get to it. I'm not sure. Is it really streaming? I see a black screen. I see a black screen on my side. It's just very disconcerting. I think I set up everything right. Right? I'm doing a top screen, and then I'm not sure. Well, I hope it is. It is going well. I mean, it says excellent connection, but on the YouTube side, I see a black screen. Huh. If it turns out everything gonna be black, that'll be fun. All right. Anyway, let's get to it. We have two hard questions in a row, so hopefully today is gonna be slightly easier. Okay, given an array, running sum of one array. We define a running sum equals. Oh, wow! I was saying it helps. I hope for something easier, and then this is way too easy though. I mean, it's a reward for what we have gone through for the previous 2 days. I think Python has a library. I think it has something for this, right? I think so. So I'm gonna delete these first. Let's copy this. Yeah, I think itotool has something like this. Let's take a look. Itotools. I think have cumulative sum. Have a accumulate, right? Yeah, it has accumulate, and it returns. What does it return? Returning an iterable. So we just need to. Okay, so I think we can just say from itotools import accumulate, right? And then we'll go here. We're gonna say itotool accumulate return list accumulate nums, right? I think that shall do. Yeah, that shall do. And then we'll also write another one using our own in our own solution. Okay, so we're gonna return. Can we return directly? Mapping? I don't think so. I don't know. I mean, this, right? And actually, no. Should be res equals this, right? And then For any nums, res.append, res.append n plus res minus 1, and return res this. Okay, so yeah, this one shall correct. I mean, not 100%. I think this one shall be correct. But at the end, I have to do. I don't like this though. Can we? I don't think so because you have to do it this way. Like, I mean, yeah, we can. Yeah, we can. I mean, we can do it that way. We can do it that way. We can do instead of this, we say nums 0, right? And then we go down here. This is gonna be 1, and I think this is not copied. This should be just iterable, so it should be fine. And then this one we can return just res, right? I think this one should be correct as well. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, nothing to say. I mean, it's a fairly simple question. Very simple question. Nothing more to say. We're gonna go to the whatever question it is. All right, let's take a look. Code 1480. Let's see if I get any interesting solutions. Oh, you want to do it directly? That's fine. Input for output. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's not bad. Blah, 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 blah. Nothing interesting. Let's see. 32. That's the same. Of course, we don't need all these. So yeah, that's it. That's it for today. Very simple, straightforward. Nothing more to say. Again, I still don't see the screen. So maybe this one is failed in recording. I hope not. Anyway, we got an easy one. See you guys tomorrow. Adios.